So Tommy, tell all your friends that you can hula hoop.
I can hula hoop.
Oh yeah, prove it. Oh my god, he has 3 hula hoops, everybody. Imagine that. He's not the lazy bum everyone thinks he is.
This is mine.
Oh my god, he has 4, everybody. Yeah, it's so delicious.
Tommy, delicious. Woo, shake it.
Hold on. Wait for the 5th.
Come on, one more then.
Come on, bitch.
You can do it.
We're all eating popcorn when Dominic's exercising. That is yummy. See? Yum.
Yummy.
Wow. Oh my god, he has 5 hula hoops. He's not the lazy bum fuck everyone thinks he is. Woo! Go, Johnny! He can exercise.